Your man. In the morning, dew so sweet, garden eternal at your feet. Every flower, every tree, sing a song of unity. Babylon desert can destroy, garden bloom with your joy. Every root a sacred flame, garden praise your holy name. Children plant and harvest grow, garden teach what we must know. Elders sit and share the word, garden song of Zion heard. Not in hatred, not in greed, garden give the righteous seed. Every fruit a gift divine, garden flourish for all time. River flow and birds a sing, garden show the life Jah bring. Prophet walk and angel pray, garden shine the righteous way. Babylon drought can't prevail, garden of Jah never fail. Every season strong and free, garden bear eternity. Families gather side by side, garden spread so far and wide. Every color, every race, garden bloom with your grace. Not a prison, not a wall, garden open for all. From creation till today, garden teach the holy way. Songs of peace and scent of rose, garden Holy Spirit knows. Every vine a story tell, garden keep the people well. No corruption, no despair, garden show Jah everywhere. Everlasting, pure and strong, garden chant Jah holy song. Morning sun and evening star, garden eternal near and far. From the root to canopy, garden shine eternally. Generations yet unborn, garden bloom in early morn. Eternal dwell, strong and free, garden guide humanity. Grow, grow, holy seed. Garden give the world its need. Rise, rise, flower bright, garden shining Jah light. Garden eternal, pure and true, bloom forever for me and you. Every season strong and free, garden of Zion, your unity. Forever blooming, never gone, garden sing Jah holy song. Aye, aye, aye. Zion reggae. Through the valley, long and wide, path of ancient, still we guide. Every stone and every mark lead the way from light to dark. Elder footstep left behind, path of wisdom, clear the mind. Every mile a sacred tune, walk beneath the ancient ancient moon. Carve a shape, the totem high. Part of spirit touch the sky. Every tree remember name. Part of life remain the same. Babylon road built on sand. Part of ancients bless the land. Everlasting, bold and true. Path of mercy led with true. Healer walk with staff in hand. Path of ancients heal the land. Every herb and sacred stone teach the flesh the truth alone. Storm may rise but roots them stay. Path of peace still find a way. Every footstep pure and free. Path of Zion victory. Poets sit beside the trail. Path of ancients never fail. Every echo, every song keep the spirit moving strong. No corruption bend the line. Path of justice still divine. Every whisper from the past. Path of love will always last. Warrior lay his burden down. Path of ancients wear the crown. Every fight was not in vain. Path of truth remove the pain. From the mountain to the sea. Path of mercy carry we. Ever pure and ever near. Path of peace remove the fear. Generations chant and learn. Path of ancients still return. Every step a holy vow. Path of wisdom guide us now. Babylon dust may cloud the view. Path of faith still shining true. Everlasting, strong and free. Path of Zion victory. Morning come and voices rise. Path of ancients fill the skies. Never ending, never fall. Path of love unite us all. Every journey bold and true. Path of life renew the crew. Everlasting, pure and free. Path of joy, eternity. Walk side by side. Path of truth, remove the pride. Rise strong and free. Path of Zion victory. Path of ancients wide and pure. Guide the people ever sure. Never breaking, never small. Path of mercy call us all. Forever shining bold and new. Path of life for me and you. Sacred road so strong and free. Path of Zion destiny.
Sound of Zion. Ganja blaze ya man. Me step out of me yard, the lion heart. Chalice in a hand, me ready for the start. Me nah walk alone, me trod with your light. In a darkness, me still shine bright. Me see youths with no hope, no plan. But me say, hold firm, you a strong man. System cold, but me soul stay warm. Me carry the storm in a roots man farm. Step with light, step with fire. One love burning, rising higher. Ganja blaze and the drums them tight. Reggae warrior, me stand for right. No retreat, we dey on mission. Sound of Zion, rootsman vision. Me nah dey on TikTok fame. Me dey on truth, me dey on name. Me chant for the youth where Babylon blind. Me chant for the ones who seeking sign. Me nah throw stone, me build foundation. Each lyric a healing meditation. From Kingston Street to Berlin Yard, one rhythm a beat and the message hard. Meditation rise with the smoke in the air. Lion road deep, no time for fear. Me depend a hill with herb in a palm. Sound system roll, bring the calm. Drum and bass, connect me soul. Truth and love, that's a me goal. Ital food and ancient chants. Me live simple, me not take chance. Step with light, step with fire. One love burning, rising higher. Ganja blaze and the drums them tight. Reggae warrior, me stand for right. No retreat, we dey on mission. Sound of Zion, rootsman vision. Zion echoes, sound calling high. We not fake vibes, we reaching sky. Me nah need crown, me need the truth. Me raise me voice for the innocent youth. Every verse is a seed me sow. Me nah wait for system fi grow. Me bring freedom with every line, and blaze the herb fi clear the mind. So rise up, step on the ground. Let reggae music be your sound. We not fight with gun, we fight with vibe. We plant hope where evil hide. So come here now, chanting the light. Zion echoes bring the people inside. And when the rhythm drop, feel no fear. We treading strong, Jah love is near. Na na na. Hear me bread full of memory, ancestry. Every inhale tell me who me be. History living in me. Me roots not only in a sign, but in vice I'm daily kyle. In laughter echo long ago, in tears that silently flow. We carry culture in me chest, heart we test, spirit blessed. Even far from where me born, roots keep me warm. Them travel with me every place, invisible grace. Me not forget the path behind. It shape me mind, refine my spine. Roots in every breath me take, never break. Roots in every breath me draw, living law. Me speak truth with accent deep, history keep. Me stance reflect the past survive, still alive. Me honor names me never met, true respect. Rained out whispers soft and slow. Me roots remind me who me know. me breathe and stand. Roots guide me on.
Na na, na 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 na, Zion reggae, yeah man. River flow from holy ground, Zion water all around. It heal the thirsty, heal the weak. River truth all people seek, forever flowing clear and wide. River of Jah by my side, eternal current, never dry. River Zion flowing high, river of Zion pure and deep. Bless the soul and bless the sheep. Living water, holy flame, river flowing Jah name. It cool the weary, wash the pain. River Zion bless again. No drought, no desert, no man control. River of Jah cleanse me soul, forever streaming strong and free. River Zion carry me from mountain top to ocean wide. River Jah forever guide me. See the elder take a sip. River Zion heal the lip. It bless the children, bless the meek. River of truth all people seek, forever holy, never gone. River of Jah forever strong, eternal flow from throne above. River Zion water love. No Babylon can dam the stream. River Zion holy dream. It cut the stone, it cleared the way. River of Jah every day, forever pure, forever new. River Zion carry through, it wash away the guilt, the shame. River flow in Jah name. When the final trumpet play, River Zion flow same way, forever streaming, never cease. River of Jah, eternal peace. It call the nations, call them home. River Zion never roam. Holy water, strong and free. River Jah for you and me. Flow long, flow high. River Zion never dry. No wall, no chain can block the way. River Jah forever stay. River of Zion pure and deep. Bless the soul and bless the sheep. Living water, holy flame. River flowing Jah name. From dawn of time to final day. eternal current, never dry. River Zion flowing high, river of Zion pure and deep. Bless the soul and bless the sheep. Living water, holy flame, river flowing your name. It cool the weary, wash the pain. River Zion bless again. No drought, no desert, no man control. River of Jah cleanse me soul, forever streaming strong and free. River Zion carry me from mountain top to ocean wide. River Jah forever guide me. See the elder take a sip. River Zion heal the lip. It bless the children, bless the meek. River of truth all people seek, forever holy, never gone. River of Jah forever strong, eternal flow from throne above. River Zion, water love. No Babylon can dam the stream. River Zion, holy dream. It cut the stone, it cleared the way. River of Jah every day, forever pure, forever new. River Zion carry through, it wash away the guilt, the shame. River flow in Jah name, when the final trumpet play. River Zion flow same way, forever streaming, never cease. River of Jah, eternal peace. It called the nations, call them home. River Zion never roam, holy water strong and free. River Jah for you and me. Flow long, flow high. River Zion never dry. No wall, no chain can block the way. River Jah forever stay. River of Zion, pure and deep. Bless the soul and bless the sheep. Living water, holy flame. River flowing Jah name, from dawn of time to final day. River Zion never stray.
Ay, ganja deep inna this fetka. Yeah, man. Me step on soil where ancestors bleed. Them spirit guide me every deed. Roots deep, me can't forget. Babylon tremble when we reset. Them a build up the tower high, but roots crack, concrete touch the sky. Them say control is all them know, but nature teach we how we grow. Them a sell illusion, sell fake gold, but me say wisdom nah get old. Me link with earth, me link with star. Babylon can't define who me are. Roots rebellion, rise again. Breaking chain with heart and pen. We nah bow, we nah bend. Jah warriors to the end. Roots rebellion, shake the ground. Every heartbeat, every sound. We nah lose, we nah fade. Freedom and forever played. The youth them wise, the youth them bold. can't fool them with lie them told. Every system soon collapse, like sand slipping through them grasp. The mountain watch, the river run, truth shine bright like morning sun. Them a spy, them a scheme, but we live up the highest dream. Them say be quiet, stay small, but me voice echo through them wall. We not ask permission, fee be free. We claim the birthright destiny. From Africa, straight to yard. We connect like lion guard. Roots rebellion, sound the call. Stand firm, now fear the fall. Roots rebellion, rise again. Breaking chain with heart and pen. We not bow, we not bend. Jah warriors to the end. Roots rebellion, shake the ground. Every heartbeat, every sound. We not lose, we not fade. Freedom anthem forever played. Me chant for the mother, me chant for the child. For all who Babylon make wild. Me chant for the healer, for the poor, for the ones knocking on freedom door. Every drum beat, a signal clear. This system day of reckoning near. Hold tight to the roots, me friend. Rebellion righteous till the end. So rise up now, hear the call. Roots rebellion for one and all. The chains break, the spirit fly. We free under just sky. Wait, what Drook Rebellion? Aliviada.
Oh yo yo, kaya smoke ya man. Me rise with just sun, me not snooze. Open up me window, feel the truth. Steam chalice burning slow. Ancient fire, let the blessings flow. Me not in a rush, this a sacred time. Before Babylon invade me mind. Me light the herb, me say a prayer. Me spirit cleansing a morning air. Me no need no gold, no fame. Me find the riches in Jah name. Me heart calm like river run. Me joy rise with the morning sun. Sacred smoke rise high. Carry me chance into the sky. Me no fear no shadows deep. Jah protect me in me sleep. We roll up wisdom, inhale grace. Find serenity in this space. Sacred smoke and morning light, guiding me soul through day and night. Me walk barefoot on red dirt trail. Me ears hear bird, me heart excel. Me see the children laugh and run. Them no yet lost to machine and gun. Me whole a reasoning with me brethren true. Talk about life and what we been through. Them say love is weak, me say them lie. It take real strength fi stand and try. Me no need no filter on this face. Rasta live raw, me know me place. One pot cook fi the whole crew. Real life sweet like ital stew. Me live slow, me think deep. Me not drown in promises we can't keep. The herb open door to eyesight wide. Show I Jah presence deep inside. Me no smoke just forget I. Me smoke for reason with the most high. Every puff a meditation, every breath a prayer. Me connect with spirit in the open air. Sacred smoke rise high. Carry the blessings from the sky. Me nah need no artificial light. Just shine for me every night. We roll up roots, inhale peace. from stress and worry. Me release sacred smoke and morning light. A Rasta's guide, me soul ignite. Me build me space with love and care. No plastic life, just vibes rare. Me family gather round every fire. No more wage, no boss, no liar. Me see too much people chase empty things. Phone in a hand but soul can't sing. Me say slow down, take back your time. Plant your food and build your shrine. Me chant psalms pan mountain top. Me not care if the city stop. Me spirit fly where eagles dwell. Me soul not trapped in digital hell. So come sit under this tree. Light one up and reason with me. This life not easy, but it's divine. With sacred smoke and Jah a sign.
Zion Raga Rasta a man. Yeah man, yeah. Brother. Shining gold, story of the truth it told. It blessed the humble, lift the meek. Zion crown all people seek. No Babylon can take away. Zion crown here fi stay. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion crown carry you. Zion crown, bright and tall. Blessing given for one and all. Every jewel a holy flame. Zion crown exalt his name. It rests upon the Rasta head. Zion crown just spread. Forever shining, never fall. Zion crown for all. It guide the nation, bless the land. Zion crown by Jahan. Forever holy, wide and free. Zion crown destiny. Me see it glow in morning sun. Zion crown never done. It shine the way, it mark the path. Zion crown Jarat. Forever holy, strong and right. Zion crown Jalight. It bless the children, bless the soul. Zion crown make we all. It shine eternal blessing that endure. It shine with fire, shine with flame. Zion crown, exalt his name. No Babylon can take away. Zion crown, forever stay, forever holy, strong and true. Zion crown belong to you. Zion crown, blaze so bright, shine eternal, holy light. Every jewel a holy flame. Zion crown, call your name. It bless the children, bless the meek. Zion crown, all hearts seek, forever holy, never gone. Zion crown, shining strong. It guide the nation, guide the man. Zion crown, Jah plan, forever glowing, pure and long. Zion crown, Jah song, me see it blaze in morning sun. Zion crown, never done, it shine eternal, never fall. Zion crown fi all, forever holy, pure and true. Zion crown carry you, no Babylon can dim the flame. Zion crown, call your name, it rise eternal, shine so high. Zion crown, fill the sky, forever glowing, never cease. Zion crown, bring Jah peace. It crown the mountain, crown the sea. Zion crown, eternity, eternal shining, strong and free. Zion crown, destiny. When the trumpet sound again, Zion crown still remain, forever holy, never fall. Zion crown bless us all, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion crown show Jah way, eternal blazing, pure and long. Zion crown, just song, shine high, shine true. Zion crown, for me and you, no chain, no hand can take it down. Zion crown, Jah crown, Zion crown, blaze so bright, shine eternal, holy light. Every jewel a holy flame. Zion crown, call your name, from age to age, from dusk to dawn. Zion crown still carry on.
No, 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 no. No, 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 Zion. Reggae man. Burning flame from Zion land. Holy spark of Jah hand. It blaze eternal, never gone. Zion fire blazing strong. It burn the wicked, cleanse the soul. Zion fire make we whole. No Babylon can stop the flame. Zion fire, call your name. Zion fire, blaze so bright, shining pure, the holy light. Every spark, eternal flame. Zion fire, exalt your name. It guide the children, guide the meek. Zion fire, all people seek. Forever burning, never cease. Zion fire, bring Jah peace. It warm the heart, it light the way. Zion fire, every day. Forever glowing, pure and white. Zion fire, holy tide. Me see it blazing morning sun. Zion fire, never done. It cleanse the land, it heal the pain. Zion fire, forever reign, forever burning, strong and true. Zion fire, carry
I touch the road ahead, road ahead, road ahead. Me breathe deep, what life said, what life said, what life said. No rush them, no backward glance, no backward glance, no backward glance. Me move with chance, steady stance. Me no sprint fi impress the eye. Me walk steady, aiming high. Every stumble teach me more than smooth ground ever before. We carry lesson, drag the load. Each mile shape me code. Me learn patience, beat haste. When goal far and road taste. Them laugh when me taste seems slow, but them nah know. Consistency beat excitement fast. Slow grind last. Me choose progress over nice. Quiet choice. Me no compete with anyone. Me race me own run. Still moving forward. Calm and sure. Endure. Still moving forward. Step by step. No regret. Me learn momentum, not about speed, but direction indeed. Small movements, still progress sign. When heart align, even past can be part of growth. If mine hold oath, me no stuck in past mistake. Me use them to awake. Each sunrise give chance new perspective true. Me no fear detour bend. Every road teach can, even when path unclear. Me move without fear, still moving forward. Grounded mind, alive, alive. Still moving forward, clear and strong. Carry on, carry on. So me trust the road me choose. Nothing lose, only truth. Only truth, only truth, only truth.
Big spliff with coconut, your man. We step in a morning dew, barefoot on the land. We feel the heartbeat of the earth in a me hand. We carry no phone, we carry no chain, just a spliff, a drum, and a mind so plain. We walk through mist and mango trees. We chant ancient words, carried by breeze. We not in a rush, Me levitate, me heartbeat in a natural state. No clock rule, me meditation. Just peace and good vibration. We chant with birds, we reason with sky. We live and love till the day me fly. We rise when sun, I kiss the leaves. We greet me day with thankful griefs. Me no pain, me no joy, me no test. But Rasta teach me how to rest. No need for war, we need harmony.
Aye, ganja is Marcus medicine, your mom. Oh, go on. Down in the valley, low and green, hope arise like morning sheen. Though the shadow try to stay, valley light a brighter day. Every seed I promise grow. Valley teach the ones to know. Gentle breeze and river song. Valley keep them moving strong. Traveler weary, take a rest. Valley give the soul its best. Fruit them ripen, flowers bloom. Valley chase away the gloom. Children laugh and elders smile. Valley healing all the while. No despair can linger long. Valley sing the hopeful song. Oh. Babylon crumble on the hill. Valley stand by Jaja will. Righteous gather, chant aloud. Valley hold a holy crowd. Every prayer them send above. Valley overflow with love. Roots grow strong, harvest near. Valley dry away the tear. Even when the storm cloud rise, valley still a paradise. Shelter safe for rich and poor. Valley open every door. Birds of Zion build a nest. Valley give the people rest. Blessed ground, no fear, no fight. Valley glow with holy light. Oh. Morning sun up on the plain, valley sing redemption strain. Evening star across the sky, valley chant will never die. Generation pass along, valley keep the faith so strong. Everlasting, deep and wide, valley hold your love inside. Grow, 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 seed of peace. Valley blessing never cease. Shine, shine, bright and true. Valley sing just song for you. Valley of hope so pure, so wide. Lift the people side by side. Never fading, never gone. Valley sing creation song. Forever living, bold and free. Valley hold eternity. Morning breeze carry the rhythm slow. Every heartbeat tuned to the flow. Me step out steady, mind open wide. Catch the rhythm as it start to glide. From corner shop to the hillside steep. Music echo where the spirits keep. People gather when the drum them call. Big or small, it unite them all. Me hold the vibes like a sacred flame. Lift up the youth where forget them name. Strength return when the roots tune rise. Glow like dawn in the sleepy skies. Old man a forgotten tune. Young blood move to the afternoon. Songs are heal where the world can't mend. Every note like a long time friend. Me feel the burden ease off my chest. Sound wave lift me above the rest. Harmony build like a mountain strong. Carry the weary through the day long. Rise up the sound wave, roll it far. Light up the spirit like morning star. Every nation, every shore, feel the heartbeat at the core. Rise up the sound wave, loud and clean. Wash off trouble where we never seen. One vibration, hold we tight. Guide the path into the light. Yeah. What no no land? Me hear the market clash with tune. Children dance in the afternoon. Vibes collide but create one line. Steady groove of a holy sign. Voices blend like a woven thread. Lift the living, bless the dead. Me see resilience in every face. Steady steps in a humble pace. Night descend but the spirit stay. No darkness push the sound away. From yard to yard it resonate. Break down wall we divide with faith. Roots musician tune the night. Guide the people back to light. Every beat rebuild the soul. Help the broken become whole. Hold firm, keep strong. Sound wave guide we all along. Through the struggle, through the rain. Music is the hidden pain. Forward steps, steady path. Lift the present, heal the past. Rise up the sound wave, roll it far. Light up the spirit like morning star. Every nation, every shore, feel the heartbeat at the core. Rise up the sound wave, loud and clean. Wash off trouble where we never seen. Flow through the valley, high and deep. Wake the silent from them sleep. Rise up the sound wave, keep it strong. Carry the people all day long. When the world feel rough and cold, let the sound wave take control. Hold the melody near your chest. Inna the music, find your rest.
Na na na, down by the riverside. Smoke spliff, yeah man. Me sit by the river, calm and wide. Me hear the rhythm, me feel the tide. Each ripple speak in a sacred code, like ancient drum beat, like secret road. The herb a bun low, me eyes them close. Me spirit float where the wisdom grows. No worry now, no Babylon sound, just roots and healing all around. River na the mind flow, sweet and slow. Take me where only true ones go. Wash me clean from pain and lie. Lift me high in a just sky. River na the soul, cool and deep. Carry me dream into conscious sleep. One drop, one thought, one prayer rise. Me see me truth with open eyes. Me smoke a draw for the clarity. Me feel Jah love like melody. No preacher fi tell I what real. me find the message, me heart can feel. The mango fall, the breeze it sing. Me joy no come from material thing. Me joy a grow from silent days. Me chant alone, me soul give praise. Me nah rush, me nah run race. Me walk with peace and Jaja grace. Me tread slope on healing earth. Each step remind me of my worth. Me mind a garden, me thoughts a seed. Me water them with what I need. Ganja plant, sun and rain. Grow me life out of struggle and pain. River na the mind flow sweet and slow. Take me where only real vibes go. Wash me from the fear and fight. Shine me soul like morning light. River in a heart so calm and true. Every drop a word from you. Me reason with me higher self. Me realize Jah is me wealth. Me meet me brethren under fig tree shade. We pass the chalice, vibes get laid. We reason long bout love and soul, both dreams and fire and staying whole. No competition in a this life, just balance healing. No strife, me share me fruits, me share me song. Me know Jah bless where I belong. So if you're stressed and thing get tight, come to the river, embrace the light. Let go the noise, the fast, the blind. Come find the river in your mind. Smoke a draw and just be still. Jah guide you with him holy will. River in the mind, Zion call. One love eternal, rise and fall, I'd say.
Ay, ay, ay. Mantai. Davai. Kritika Zag. Step by step upon the way, Zion light guide night and day. Through the valley, through the storm, Jah keep the people safe and warm. Every footstep mark the ground with the truth that Jah has found. Babylon road lead to fall, but Zion path redeem us all. Path of Zion straight and true. Walk it high and walk it you. Through the struggle, through the pain, path of Zion still remain. Children rise, don't walk alone. Path of Zion bring you home. From the desert, from the sea, Jah prepare the way for we. No false road, no wicked plan can fool the heart of righteous man. Ancient guide, eternal flame. Path of Zion, call Jah name. Walk the path with steady hand. Carry love across the land. Every trial, every fight, path of Zion shine the light. Generations come and go, still the path will always show. Every nation great and small, Zion path unite us all. Step, don't turn aside. Jah provide and Jah will guide. Through the fire, through the rain, path
path of Zion never stray. Path of Zion straight and true. Walk it high and walk it you. Through the struggle, through the pain, path of Zion still remain. Forevermore it lead along. Path of Zion righteous strong.
Ganja is just medicine. Ganja is just medicine. First light break across the land. Crown of dawn in Jahan. Every color born anew. Crown of mercy shine for you. Darkness fade, the shadows run. Crown of dawn embrace the sun. Every glow a sacred flame. Crown uplift the holy name. Elder rise and start to pray. Crown of dawn reveal the way. Every heart begin to wear. Crown of love no man can fade. Babylon dream now fade away. Crown of hope restore the day. Everlasting, bold and pure. Crown of truth will still endure. Farmer lift his face to sky. Crown of dawn reflect his eye. Every seed a promise made. Crown of mercy never fade. Rain descend and light unfold. Crown of peace worth more than gold. Every morning bring a new. Crown of Zion shine for you. Oh, it right up on the wind. Crown of dawn erase the sin. Every word a gentle song. Crown of truth keep growing strong. Even darkness cannot hide. Crown of justice still abide. Every hue and every ray. Crown of dawn define the day. Workers sing up on the field. Crown of dawn is only shield. Every labor bless the hand. Crown of peace across the land. No oppression, no deceit. Crown of love make life complete. Ever pure and ever new. Crown of Zion shine for you. Night return but light remain. Crown of dawn remove the pain. Every soul begin to rise. Crown of truth fill the skies. Generation lift them song. Crown of mercy keep them strong. Everlasting, pure and free. Crown of dawn eternity. When the world in silence rests, crown of dawn still shine the best. Never fading, never gone. Crown of peace keep marching on. Sacred glory bold and high. Crown of Zion fill the sky. Eternal flame forever true. Crown of dawn shine for you. Rise, rise morning bright. Crown of dawn replace the night. Shine, shine golden hue. Crown of mercy carry through. Crown of dawn, holy light. never fading, never fall. Crown of peace embrace us all, forever shining bold and pure. Crown of truth will still endure, sacred glory bright and new. Crown of Zion shine for you.